welcome to Mama Bui's kitchen. I'm so excited today as I'll be sharing with you how to make my childhood favorite snack. These are as traditional as anything you like in Botswana. We call them Magwinya or fat cakes. You know, I remember as a young girl, when I go to school, my dad will give me 50 cents. And during the break time, there will be these ladies coming with buckets full of warm Magwinya. You know, there's nothing comforting like biting on warm Magwinya. We'll just line up so that you don't miss it out. So on today, what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be showing you one way of making Magwinya, because there are two ways. One way you can use yeast and the other way you can use baking powder. And today we're gonna do it the fastest way by using baking powder. So I'm gonna walk with you step by step and show you how to make it. Today we're gonna do part 1 using baking powder. Then we'll do another video doing part 2 using yeast. Okay guys, let's get right into it. There you have it, Magwinya, Botswana's favorite snack. You can serve it with tea, coffee, chakalaka, soup, wherever that fits in, savory or sweet. I'm telling you, this is the best snack ever. I hope you enjoyed the first part of Magwinya. Please subscribe to my channel for more African dishes. More especially, I'll be focusing dishes from my country, Botswana. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. With lots of love. Peace out.